Hi friends, nearly 1.5 years later, I am going to upload my new video on my YouTube channel. Okay, it is probably it is because of my Samsung laptop which is bought at 2012 August 15. It was giving support up to 12 plus years. Okay, it having the chipset issue. Okay, whenever we giving overload to my laptop. Okay, so in giving the junk display kind of matrix display. Okay, even in external monitor as well, it is not a RAM issue, it is a chipset issue. So hardware issue, I couldn't make the video because of the every lab setup and data was on that laptop. So now I bought new laptop and I replicated the same lab setup from that laptop to new laptop, so we can continue the same actually. Okay, so in this video we are going to see one of the BitTorrent client internet software which is proprietary, which is alternative to the familiar qubit torrent and transmission and deluge as well. It having the lots of feature compared to those. Okay, but it is a proprietary software and but it is freely available, anyone can use it. Okay, so this is the software I'm talking about. It is a completely BitTorrent client. It is no spyware, no ads, no nonsense. Yes, I am using this software from 2019 onwards. Okay, so here you can see in the features and all. Okay, so here I am using the Fedora 43. Okay, Fedora 43, and it is a 64-bit operating system. Okay, Fedora 43 and it is a 64-bit. Okay, so we have to download it. So I'm clicking the Linux. You have to choose the 64 operating system RPM. Fedora is Fedora. For Fedora family you have to choose .rbm file. If it is Linux, I mean Ubuntu Linux or Debian family, you have to choose this one. 32-bit and portable version also available here. SUSE Linux also you have to choose this one only, because those is also following the RPM packages only. Okay, just click it. I have already downloaded it, so I not need to download once again it, and you have to download the GPG signature as well. I have downloaded both in the location of Tixati. You can see here. Okay, this is downloaded and this one also downloaded. Okay, now we have to download the Tixati Public Key. This is one of the key used to verify the originality. Okay, this one also I got downloaded it. Here you can see. Okay, so before going to install, we have to make sure the originality of the software. So I'm going to import the public Tixati key. Okay, gpg -- import. Okay, import under the key name. Ctrl+Shift+C and Ctrl+Shift+V. Okay, it will get imported. Okay, I don't know why taking time, but it will create soon. Yeah, it is created, you can see. Okay, it is also created and it is imported. Now I am going to verify the originality. So gpg -- verify, and the signature key. Okay, and then package name. So here you can see in giving the good signature from the Tixati Software Inc. Okay, which means this is a original package, means good, it having the good signature to install. Okay, so now we are going to install. Okay, so sudo rpm-ivh for the installation of the package in the Fedora Linux system. Okay, under the package name. If it is Ubuntu or Debian family, you have to choose tpkg-i and the package name. Okay, but this is a Fedora. I cannot proceed here by the tpkg Debian package manager method. So we are going to use the Fedora format, which is rpm-ivh and the package name. Same method for the SUSE Linux. We have to use sudo rpm-ivh and the package name. Okay, and we have to click enter. Okay, so this and all just a warning, we can ignore it. And I have noticed one of the library packages dependency was required for this Tixati software when we do SUSE Linux. So I just did sudo zypper install and the library package. Once the library package installed, then after we are able to install the Tixati on the Fedora SUSE Linux as well. Okay, here I have successfully installed the Tixati. Now I am going to open the Tixati now. This is the one. Okay, I'm going to just read this terms and policies. Okay, I'm click agree, and I'm choosing the download location as Tixati because I can be put there, and click OK. This is just a username. We can change whatever you need. Click continue. That's it. This is how the Tixati will be. Okay, this is the bandwidth. When you are downloading the files, you can see incoming and outgoing bandwidths. The data traffics, and here you can see distribution hash table wherever the hashes are distributed. Okay, for example, we can try one thing here. Okay, what we can try. Okay, let me try. Yeah, openSUSE because it having the tumbleweed. Okay, check some metalink. Okay, it's not having the BitTorrent file, even though we can try, I believe. Just to copy the link. Where is the Tixati home? Okay, it's not working. We have to pause the magnet links, yeah, or else hash keys. Okay, now I'm copying the meta link. Okay, let me try some other. What we can try? Linux Mint. LMDE7. Okay, download torrent file. Okay, click downloaded it here. So it is in download location. Now I am going to add that in the Tixati. Okay, click add and go to downloads, LMDE, click open, yes, 2.9 GB, click start. When you added it, here you can see everything will be here. Okay, here you can see started the downloading, input and output you can see. If you go for the bandwidth, here you can see so how the bandwidth is consumed, those details you can see here, and the hash distribution table also here we can see. Okay, means it is a Tixati is a kind of peer-to-peer file transferring protocol only. Once you downloaded, and if anyone downloading the Linux Mint by the torrent file, so the data will transfer from our laptop to there. Means it's a kind of file sharing only. Okay, this is one of the software I'm using from 2019. It is really a good one. Guys can try if you need alternative BitTorrent client software like alternative to the QBitTorrent, Deluge and Transmission and other BitTorrent client software. Yeah, this is really helpful and you guys can try it out. Okay, thank you so much for watching video. and I'm going to stop the video, and I will share the commands that I have used here for the installation of the Tixati in my Fedora and as well as the Ubuntu and SUSE Linux as well. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.